In this video, I'm going to show you how to tie what are widely considered the 8 most essential knots. I suggest you get 2 pieces of rope or string such that you can try them as you go along. Before we start, a quick reminder for you to hit subscribe so I can keep making interesting content. The single round turn is a simple knot commonly used in sailing to secure the end of a rope or line to a fixed object. The round turn wraps the rope around the object and is secured by a slip or stopper knot. The stopper can be easily undone by pulling the tail end of the rope. Although the double round turn is a more secure knot than the single round turn, it can be untied just as easily. This knot is commonly used in sailing to secure the end of a rope or line to a fixed object. The rope is wrapped twice around the object and secured by a slip or stopper knot. To untie the knot, simply grip the tail end of the rope and pull the stopper free. The anchor hitch, also known as the anchor bend and fisherman's bend, is a knot used for attaching a rope to a ring, hook, anchor, or similar termination. This nautical knot is especially strong and simple. It will neither slip nor jam under strain, but can be easily loosened and undone. The sheet bend, also known as the weaver's bend, is a practical knot for joining lines of different diameter or rigidity. The name sheet bend comes from its traditional use of holding a sail in place. Its advantages lie in its simplicity and non-jamming properties. The double sheet bend is a sheet bend with another turn in the smaller end for increased security. This knot is particularly effective when tying ropes or lines of unequal diameter or rigidity. It can also be used for building hammocks and in net making. The reef knot, or square knot, also known as a Hercules knot, is an ancient and simple binding knot used to secure a rope or line around an object. It's unique in that it may be tied and tightened with both ends, and is universally used for parcels, rolls, and bundles. If you've ever seen a movie in which a cowboy lashes a horse to a post, you've seen the Clove hitch. This is an ancient type of knot made of 2 successive single hitches tied around an object. It's particularly useful where the length of the running end needs to be adjustable. The Clove hitch is a knot commonly used in mountaineering, for fixing a rope to a carabiner, locking it to an anchor, or simply when you need to secure a rope quickly. The bowline is often considered to be one of the most essential knots. This is an ancient and simple knot used to form a fixed loop at the end of a rope. It's quick and easy to tie, and especially easy to untie after being subjected to a load. The bowline knot neither slips nor jams, even under strain, but can be loosened and untied with very little effort. This knot is commonly used for mooring boats, hoisting, hauling, and fastening one rope to another. Thanks for watching. A quick reminder for you to hit subscribe. You'll find more interesting videos and shorts on my channel.